Ever found yourself juggling a million different apps just to schedule a simple client meeting? You've got your calendar, your video conferencing, your booking system, and it feels like a digital circus, right? I mean, honestly, how many times have you typed in a Zoom link only to realize it's the wrong one? Or worse, forgotten to send it altogether? Today, we're diving into a question that's probably been floating around in your head if you're a business owner, a freelancer, or anyone trying to streamline their scheduling. Does Acuity scheduling work with Zoom? Now, before we jump into the technical nitty-gritty, let's paint a picture. Imagine this: you're a busy coach, a therapist, or maybe a consultant. You've got a packed schedule, and your clients are scattered across different time zones. You need a system that's seamless, that's automated, that just works. You want to avoid the back-and-forth emails, the double bookings, the frustration of manually managing your appointments. You want to focus on what you do best, not on the admin. That's where Acuity scheduling comes in. But, and this is the crucial part, you also need a reliable video conferencing platform. And let's face it, Zoom has become a staple for many of us. So, the marriage of these two platforms is, well, pretty essential. Think about the sheer number of steps involved in a typical online appointment without proper integration. Client books, you manually create a Zoom link, you copy and paste it into an email, you send it, and hopefully they find it. And if they reschedule, you have to repeat the entire process. It's time-consuming, it's prone to errors, and it's frankly a bit archaic in today's digital age. We're talking about automation, efficiency, and a smoother client experience. So, the question isn't just, does it work? But, how well does it work, and what are the benefits? Let's break it down. The short answer is yes. Acuity scheduling absolutely integrates with Zoom. But, as with anything, the devil's in the details. The integration is designed to automate the creation and distribution of unique Zoom meeting links for each appointment booked through Acuity. This means that when a client schedules a session with you, a Zoom link is automatically generated and included in the confirmation email, as well as any reminder emails you've set up. No manual link creation, no copy-pasting, no room for error. It's all handled seamlessly in the background. Now, let's walk through the benefits. First and foremost, time savings. Imagine reclaiming those precious minutes you used to spend manually managing your appointments. That's time you can invest back into your business, into your clients, or even into yourself. Secondly, it reduces the risk of human error. We've all sent the wrong link or forgotten to send it altogether. Automation eliminates these mistakes, ensuring a smooth and professional experience for your clients. Thirdly, it enhances the client experience. Clients receive all the necessary information in one place, making it easy for them to join their appointments. No more searching through emails or struggling to find the right link. It's all there, conveniently delivered to their inbox. But how does it actually work? It's surprisingly simple. Within your Acuity scheduling account, you'll find an integration section. Here, you can connect your Zoom account. Once connected, Acuity will automatically generate unique Zoom links for each appointment based on your settings. You can even customize the meeting settings, such as enabling waiting rooms or requiring passwords, directly within Acuity. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Now, let's address some common questions. Can you use the integration with different Zoom account types? Yes, Acuity works with most Zoom account types, including basic and paid plans. However, some advanced features might require a paid Zoom subscription. Can you customize the Zoom meeting settings? Absolutely. You have control over various settings, ensuring that your meetings are secure and tailored to your specific needs. What about rescheduling or cancellations? Acuity automatically updates the Zoom link if an appointment is rescheduled. If an appointment is canceled, the link is deactivated. It's all handled automatically, minimizing any confusion. Let's also talk about the real-world applications. Think about a therapist offering online counseling sessions. Acuity's integration with Zoom allows them to manage their appointments seamlessly, ensuring that their clients receive a secure and confidential video link. Or consider a fitness coach offering virtual training sessions. They can use Acuity to schedule classes and private sessions, and Zoom to deliver their workouts. The integration streamlines the entire process, allowing them to focus on their clients and their training. Or imagine a consultant hosting virtual workshops. Acuity can handle the registration and scheduling, while Zoom provides the platform for the workshop itself. The possibilities are endless. But, and this is important, it's not just about the technical integration. It's about the overall experience. It's about creating a smooth and professional journey for your clients. It's about building trust and credibility. When your clients see that you're using a streamlined and automated system, it reflects positively on your business. It shows that you're organized, efficient, and that you value their time. Now, let's address a few potential hiccups. While the integration is generally seamless, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, ensure that your Zoom account and Acuity scheduling account are properly connected. Double-check your settings and make sure that everything is configured correctly. Secondly, keep your software up to date. Regularly updating both Acuity and Zoom will ensure that you're using the latest versions and that any potential bugs are addressed. Finally, test the integration before relying on it for important appointments. Schedule a test appointment with yourself or a friend to ensure that everything is working as expected. And let's be real, technology can sometimes be unpredictable. So what happens if there's a glitch? It's always good to have a backup plan. Keep a list of your Zoom meeting IDs and passwords handy, just in case. And, of course, communicate with your clients. If there's a technical issue, let them know as soon as possible and provide them with an alternative solution. Transparency and communication are key to maintaining a positive client relationship. Think about the impact on your workflow. No more frantic searches for the right link. No more last-minute emails. No more scheduling headaches. Just seamless, automated appointments that allow you to focus on what matters most. That's the power of integrating Acuity scheduling with Zoom. It's about creating a more efficient, more professional, and more enjoyable experience for both you and your clients. Ultimately, the integration between Acuity scheduling and Zoom is about more than just convenience. It's about creating a system that supports your business and allows you to thrive in the digital age. It's about leveraging technology to streamline your workflow and enhance your client experience. It's about freeing up your time so you can focus on what you do best. And it's about ensuring that your online appointments are seamless, professional, and stress-free. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.